Question number 27. Water waves in a ripple tank are made to pass through a small gap as shown. Which diagram shows the waves that are passing through the gap? Now, when water waves pass through this, now these are the wavefronts over here. Now, these are the circular wavefronts over here. A ray that is perpendicular to these circular wavefronts. So, what you do is draw a tangent like this at every circular wavefront, and then what you do is a ray should be perpendicular to the circular wavefront. So this will become one ray, this will become another 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 ray. Okay, so therefore this is one way of writing the rays. So it appears to be correct. Let me keep this in mind. Okay, so there are no other contradictory measures here, so therefore this is always right. Now let us look at this. Let us solve this also. So here, if you want to see, if I draw a tangent here, then what can happen? It appears that the ray will come from here. Now how will the ray come from here? Is there any opening here? There is no ray opening over here. So therefore definitely this could not be the right answer, right? This will not be the right answer because there is no energy coming out from here. Ray cannot pass like this. You cannot expect a ray to go like this. Why am I doing like this? The reason is because okay, I am drawing a tangent here and dropping a perpendicular here. The perpendicular tells you where is the ray, so this is not possible. So this is not possible. Now let us apply the same logic here. Here what happens? See, the rays come here, and it goes like this. You see, there is a constriction here. If I draw the next one, this will also be, the constriction will elongate like this and go like this. What does the constriction tell you? The constriction tells you that there could be a dark band over here. Is it possible? It will never be possible, right? A ray just opposite to this one, you will have a very bright fringe over here, and after that the bright fringes keeps on diminishing like this. So this is also not possible. What about this here? You look at this here, you get a straight line here. You can always say, okay, see, there's some amount of light coming here, this should be straight. I agree with this. Okay, now if I consider here, now what's happening here? Here also you are getting something like this, here also you are getting something like this, because this is perpendicular to this wavefront. So how can a wavefront produce waves like this? Rays, it cannot produce like this, right? Because you know, if I extend this ray backwards, it is hitting this surface. There's no opening over here. So as a result of it, this cannot be a ray. This ray is violated. This ray is violated. Any diagram in which at least if one of the rays is violated, that means that diagram is incorrect. So here 2, 3 rays, all these rays beyond this region are definitely violated. Okay, beyond this region are violated. Here there's a dark band, so this is violated, this is violated, this is violated. This is only one which actually holds good over here, because it tells you, Huygens principle tells you that the waves will start moving in all the directions, right? So as a result of it, A is the right answer.